In this exercise, we will design the user interface using tab control. Here we will explore tab control, which is a container control to host tab page control, which itself is a container for other controls. Tab control groups controls into multiple pages. It allows many controls to be used in small organized space. Let's explore this control in more detail. Tab control contains a collection of tab page objects in the tab pages property. Tab page has properties similar to other controls like name to set name of the tab page, text to set the title of the tab page. Tab page is almost similar to a form where we can add basic controls and then add the tab page to tab control using tab page collection property. We can add tab pages to the tab control at design time by tab page collection editor. We add a new tab page and set its properties in the properties window. We can set image list object for the tab control to display images in the tab page along with the text. We can also change the position of the tabs by using alignment property. We can set it to top, bottom, left or right side of the tab control. The tab control has a selected index change event which occurs when the selected index property changes when we click on different tabs. In the code section, we have added selected index change event handler to get the selected tab page. We can also add tab pages to the control at runtime by defining a tab page class object and adding it to the control tab page collection. Here when we click the tab page, the label displays the title of the tab page selected in the response to the selected index change event. The code in the Add Tab Page button adds a new tab page to the control. So we see that using tab control, we can add many controls which can be arranged in pages and save space.